Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to join copper pipe. First, preparation is key for a strong, leak-free connection. Begin by cutting your copper pipe to the desired length using a specialized tube cutter, ensuring a perfectly straight cut. Next, use a reaming tool or deburring accessory to remove any burrs from both the inside and outside edges of the pipe. Finally, clean the pipe ends and the inside of the fitting with sand cloth or a fitting brush until the copper is bright and shiny. This removes oxidation and ensures proper solder adhesion. Now it's time for flux. Flux is an acidic paste that prevents oxidation during heating and helps the solder flow smoothly. Use an acid brush to apply a thin, even layer of lead-free flux to the outside of the pipe and the inside of the fitting. Be careful not to apply too much. Once flux is applied, avoid touching these surfaces with your bare hands, as oils can interfere with the soldering process. Then, insert the pipe fully into the fitting, giving it a slight twist to distribute the flux evenly. With the joint assembled, it's time to heat and solder. Using a propane or MAP gas torch, apply heat evenly to the fitting, not directly to the pipe. Heat the joint until the flux begins to bubble and sizzle. Test the temperature by touching lead-free solder to the opposite side of the fitting from the flame. If the joint is hot enough, the solder will melt on contact and be drawn into the joint by capillary action. Continue applying solder until a complete silver band is visible around the entire joint, indicating a full seal. Once soldering is complete, allow the joint to cool naturally for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Do not use water to cool it quickly, as this can stress the joint and potentially cause cracks. While the joint is still warm, but not molten, use a damp rag to wipe away any excess flux and solder. This prevents corrosion and ensures a clean appearance. Finally, after the joint has fully cooled, turn on the water supply and carefully check for any leaks around your newly joined copper pipe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.